Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix USB device not recognized on Windows. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, go on search and you look for device manager, right? And on device manager, what you need to do here, you need to expand probably the last option, universal serial bus controllers, right? And here you need to select USB root hub, right click on it, update driver, browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick a list of available drivers on my computer and press next here. And the drivers will be installed, right? As you can see here, it will take you a few seconds to do so. And after it's finished, you should get Windows has successfully updated your drivers. And then what you need to do here, what you need to go to generic USB hub, right click on it, update driver, and do the same. Browse my computer for drivers, let me pick, and then select next here, right? And after that, what you need to do here next is to go on search again and write edit power plan, right? Then go to change advanced power settings, and on this window here, scroll down until you see USB settings, expand the option, and then select a USB selective setting here and make it disabled. Apply OK. And then make sure your USB device is connected to your computer. Do not unplug it, and then just restart your computer and your problem should be fixed. Right, so yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.